Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hub. In today's work example, we'll be finding the equation of a line that passes through the points 1, 2, 3 and minus 2, 4, 2. So let's start. So first I'll call the point A, the point 1, 2, 3 to be A, and the point B would be minus 2, 4 and 2. So to write the equation of the line, we would need a starting point and a directional vector. So we can use either of these points as a starting point, but the thing that we need to find is the directional vector. So to find the directional vector, we know that the directional vector would be in the same direction as a line that passes through A and B, or the line that joins A and B. So the line or the vector that joins A and B is vector AB. And we know that vector AB is basically equal to vector OB minus vector OA, and using these points we know that OB is minus 2, 4, 2 and OA is 1, 2, 3, and simplifying it we get minus 3, 2 and minus 1. So this is the directional vector of our line. So now we know that the standard form of a line is R is equals to R1 plus TD, where T is a parameter. So now we'll substitute the values and we would get R is equals to R1. For R1 we can choose any of these points. We can choose A, we can choose B, whichever we want. I'll go with A. So A would be 1, 2, 3. It would be plus T and the directional vector minus 3, 2, minus 1. So we can write this equation in the parameter form as well, and so we would get X is equals to 1 minus 3t, Y to be equal to 2 plus 2t, and C is equals to 3 minus t. So that was all. Thank you for joining us. I'll see you all in the next lesson.